Hey everybody, we're gonna do painting today. And we're gonna do rock painting. We're gonna do rock painting. Let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. And we're doing it with my cousin Izzy. Instructions. Woo! And there's rocks in here. Oh, look, these are heavy. These are really heavy. The paint set and the sticker. Dusty. First, we're gonna paint them and then decorate them with the glitter. Yeah. Okay, we got it. Now we're gonna paint. Make yours a bee? Yeah. Really? What are you gonna make yours? I'm gonna make mine a ladybug. So you're gonna do red and black? Yeah, sure. Okay, let's do this. So first, I'm gonna dip my paintbrush in, and it's really hard to open these. Ah, it's painting. Wait, that's gold? Yeah, it's gold. Okay, I'm doing a bumblebee too. No, you should do a ladybug. Ah, if you want to do it. Okay, we got gold. You're gonna be the mama bumblebee. I'll be the baby one. Yeah, we could put faces on it. Yep. So, mine is pretty much done. If you could see here, I'm going to wait for it to dry. But I just have to do a black one and then. While that's happening, I'm gonna ask Yasmine some questions. So, Yasmine, how long have you had this channel for? Well, so cute, a little bit of Q&A. 1 month. 1 month? Yeah, wow. 1 month. And if you guys don't know, that I have a channel, I do, and it's called Izzy Cassandra's Fun World. Izzy, and I do very cool videos, and this is my first collab with someone. So I'm so excited. So if you guys, after this video, go watch that video. Go watch all my videos, and it's gonna be very fun. Oh, and also help Yasmine on her journey. Yep. So, woo! This is a lot of paint. Because mine is not. You want to know what happened to mine? You put a little bit more gold than it's supposed to be. Yeah, because it's a bumblebee. Yep. How I see a bumblebee is like this. That's how I see my bumblebees. Those are bumblebee classes. Yours is so good. It's better than mine. Okay, so my next question is, how many videos have you done? To be honest, only 3. Wow. Well, I mean, that's starting. Well, this one is the 4th one, so I should call it 4. It's school questions. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject? It's totally gym and art. I love art and gym. It's so amazing. Yeah, you get to play around in the gym. One time I did badminton and I played with my teacher. What's your favorite type of math? Favorite type? It should be. I have two favorite math. I like either subtraction or adding. You know what I like? What do you like? My favorite is, drumroll please, multiplication and division. Actually, really? I'm practicing multiplication at my school. If you could be any fantasy animal, what would it be? The same thing, maybe it would be a unicorn part cat. Okay, so unicorn kitty, unikitty. All right, what if you could be any fantasy animal, like a dwarf or a hobbit or an elf? Which one would you be? An elf, a dwarf, or a hobbit? What's a hobbit? A hobbit is smaller than a dwarf, and it likes peace and quiet. So, and it grows hair on its feet. Elf. So So you don't want to, do you know what a dwarf is?
A dwarf?
A dwarf, yes.
I know what a gnome is, but not a dwarf.
A gnome is technically the same thing as a dwarf.
Okay, so no, because I don't eat food that much.
Okay, so you would be an elf, right?
Yeah, I'd be elf. I'd be totally elf. Elves, they make presents, and I love to make stuff. What is your favorite? Okay, what's your favorite, like, myth creature?
Like that is a very hard okay. Yep, we're almost done. We just need to add the eyes and stuff.
Speaking of eyes, let's do it now. The juice can be the eyes.
Nah.
Okay. Because they're too small. I can feel that.
Are you gonna add little
Really?
like little what are they called again? Okay, we're gonna add little teensy little. We're gonna add little wings.
Wings? Sure. Let's do wings. Antlers.
Antlers.
No, like
They're called antennas.
Yeah, the antennas.
So we can use these for the antennas.
Yeah, those.
I'm gonna use purple because I love purple. What are you
I
gonna
love pink and purple and yellow.
use? So you want to use pink, and I use purple? Ooh, this is gonna be hard. I don't want to mess up the paint.
Poor little thing.
Ooh, I don't think I can do it. No!
What is you? Are you allergic to any animals?
No, but I am allergic to mosquito bites because almost everyone's allergic to mosquito. But I'm allergic to mosquito bites.
Mosquito bites.
Yeah.
Oh.
Once I had a mosquito bite and it was on my foot, and guess what happened? So it looked, once I kept on itching it, after that it was really big.
And then
it
yeah, I remember you came to my house like that, so I made it look like another ankle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that time.
It hurt a lot. And when I was walking into the house, it felt like I was walking up and down a hill.
And like I've been treating her like that she was the queen of the house, and then I keep like dumping her all over the place. Yeah. So we're all gonna be buddies.
And now we're gonna show you the finished product.
Yeah.
This is my bee. I'm gonna name it Little Baby Bee. Or sorry, I'm gonna name it Bella. Bella the bee.
This is mine, and I'm gonna call it Lyra.
Lyra?
Yeah, Lyra.
That's a beautiful name. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for coming. Bye.
Follow us on Yasmine's amazing channels and hit the subscribe button down. I'll see you later.